The hearing today lasted only about 5 minutes, was continued until June. But those questions, they still remain. The judge who heard the case today was the same person who allowed Alphanso Talley to be out on electronic monitoring in the first place, being able to roam around Chicago, was supposed to be going to school when this robbery, then later shooting, allegedly happened. Now, this is something that the Cook County State's attorney today coming out saying should never have happened in the first place.
Alphanso Talley stood before the judge that previously gave him the freedom to move around Chicago with an ankle bracelet. Judge John Fitzgerald Like. Talley was unaccounted for, had missed a curfew, a court date, and the ankle bracelet's battery died in early March. Over a month later, he's now accused of shooting 2 Chicago police officers, murdering one, Officer John Bartholomew.
I have been screaming about electronic monitoring. Electronic monitoring is not an alternative to detention. It does not keep people safe.
The Cook County State's Attorney Eileen O'Neill Burke says her office did everything in their power to keep Talley in custody, noting his criminal history, which dates back to 2017. While on parole in April of last year, he was arrested again for carjacking a woman and robbing a man. A judge ordered he be detained again. Later, the terms of his release were modified. He was placed on electronic monitoring, and then Judge Like changed the terms so Talley could go to college, allowing him movement for 7 to 15 hours a day.
In order to have an effective system, if there is a violation, there needs to be sworn law enforcement officers who can go and arrest somebody if they're violating the terms of their electronic monitoring. We do not have that.
Now, right now, the chief judge's office, who is in charge of the electronic monitoring program, is supposed to raise the proper alarms, has promised to do so in the case of major violations of somebody's electronic monitoring rules. Now, it's not clear if this case was treated as such, and we've been asking for those answers. Reached out to the chief judge yesterday, have still not heard back. We will keep following up.